smart infrastructure is really key to the whole process of digitalization that organizations are working toward today.
How can we start to improve the longevity of our infrastructure?
I think the challenges are in us understanding where our critical components, our critical systems are within the infrastructures that we are being asked to manage.
How can we improve the productivity of our nations through better infrastructure and through understanding how we invest in new infrastructure as well?
How do we make the smartest investment decisions possible? Well, we understand that infrastructure and building projects are created to produce value.
A lot of people have talked about cybersecurity. Once you get a lot of Internet of Things going, you have to make sure that your infrastructure that you have, especially for electrical infrastructure, is secure and can't be hacked.
I'm really seeing a trend towards people caring about the social impact of assets and their outcomes and their outputs, and I think that will make a big difference in how we both build systems, plan for systems, and eventually use systems.
There's a lot of data out now that says, yes, infrastructure is in a crisis. We need to start investing, and I believe it. I believe it's true. And it's a testament to the ability of our operations and maintenance staff that are avoiding disasters to the public, but we can't rely on that as a long-term strategy for our utilities to be successful.
We have a dearth of spending budgeted for the future that is going to leave this infrastructure, which is beginning to fail. It's a mature infrastructure, and I think the services that it is meant to bring are going to be seriously hampered.
These conferences are so important because the people that come together tend to be experts in one sliver of the problem or another, rather than an entire solution. And so they come here to learn from each other ways in which they can be more effective in their jobs.
It gives you the opportunity to understand other people's perspectives, to think about things in a different way, to meet with new people.
The talk that we had today about the UK and some of the work that they were doing in the UK is leading edge stuff that allows us to really rethink about some of the things that we could do here locally in New York.
We bring together a community of people, and over in the future, as it has in the UK, that community grows. We see improvement, and that's part of the journey.
We can really make a difference, and a huge difference, for our country and for our municipalities and for companies as well.
Things like Smart Infrastructure Forum bring together people who wouldn't normally be together, and that's where great ideas are often born.